Want to fix the Play Store download pending error or other download issues on your device? This problem often happens because of network troubles, low storage, corrupted Play Store data, or conflicting app settings. Don't worry, here's an easy way to solve it quickly and get your downloads working again. Before starting anything, check your internet connection. Swipe down from the top of your screen to open Quick Settings. Toggle Wi-Fi off. Wait a few seconds, then turn it back on. Do the same for mobile data if you're using it. If you're on Wi-Fi, try restarting your home router by unplugging it for 30 seconds. Solution 1. Clear cache and data for Play Store and Play services. For Google Play Store, open your phone's settings, go to Apps or Apps and Notifications. Find and tap on the Google Play Store. Tap on Storage and Cache. First, tap Clear Cache, then tap Clear Storage or Clear Data and confirm your choice. For Google Play Services, go back to the Apps list in Settings. Find and tap on Google Play Services. Tap on Storage and Cache. First, tap Clear Cache, then tap Clear Storage or Manage Space, and then clear all data. Solution 2. Clear Play Store search history. From the Play Store app, tap your profile icon. Go to Settings, tap General, tap Account and Device Preferences. Scroll down and tap Clear Device Search History. Tap Clear History to confirm. Solution 3. Clear Play Store download queue. Sometimes, other pending downloads block new ones. Open the Google Play Store app, tap your profile icon in the top right corner, go to Manage Apps and Devices. Tap the Manage tab. Look for any apps with a downloading or pending status. Tap the X or Cancel button next to them to clear them from the queue. Now try downloading your desired app again. That's all. Trying any of these steps should solve the Play Store download pending or other download issues. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next video.